Are you thinking about upgrading your home before you sell? You should. Home upgrades can make a world of difference in the value of your house. However, did you know that all home renovations can come in two broad categories, and not all of them come with the same ease and costs? In today's video, I'll explain the difference between structural and cosmetic renovations, as well as how I can help during your upgrade. So to learn more about renovations and how they can impact your home sale, schedule a home improvement consultation with me and my team. We do all the work and cover all the costs of upgrading your home with our Fix and List program. But I'm gonna go ahead and deep dive into 3 helpful points right now. Key point number 1, structural renovations. Structural renovations are the backbone of any home improvement project. These upgrades address the essential aspects of your home's safety. Examples include repairing or replacing your roof, upgrading plumbing, and any electrical systems. It's also things like reinforcing the foundation. These renovations often require professional expertise and can be very costly and time-consuming, but they can enhance the home's overall value and appeal to buyers looking for long-term stability and peace of mind. Bonus, when buyers know that the core elements of a home are sound, they're more likely to make a higher and confident offer and fulfill on the purchase. Key point number 2, cosmetic renovations. So cosmetic renovations, on the other hand, focus on the aesthetics and the livability of a home. These improvements are generally less expensive, and they can be done with a DIY approach or with minimal professional help. Examples of cosmetic include painting walls, updating light fixtures, installing new countertops or cabinets, landscaping, things like that. We always do cosmetic updates on any home we list because they give you the biggest bang for your buck and create a positive first impression. A fresh coat of paint or a modern kitchen can significantly enhance your home's marketability and help it sell faster, even if it doesn't drastically alter the value. But that's not to say that we don't see a decent return on investment for these improvements. So last but not least, key point number 3, how I can help when deciding which renovations to do. It can be very overwhelming. So a trusted local real estate agent and home improvement specialist can guide you through this process, and I would love to be that agent for you. I understand the local market, what buyers are looking for in a home, and I can help you identify which structural and cosmetic improvements will yield the highest return on investment for you in your specific area. And I evaluate your home's current condition and the preferences of potential buyers in your area to provide a personalized recommendation plan to ensure your renovation efforts pay off at a high level. My team is there for you every step of the way and provides high value to make sure it's done right. I hope you're now ready to take the next step in preparing your home for sale. So contact me today by phone or email for expert advice and assistance in making the right renovation choices for you in your home. I'm super delighted to serve you, and I want to be a resource to you. I'm Stacey Chaffin, the Fix and List agent, and I want you to fix and list your home with me.